there was nothing that they could do to come out of the shadows and become official members of this country that they love. It just wasn't a possibility.
That's 19-year-old Jimena Arias Cristobal's attorney, who claimed both the teenager and her father tried to become legal citizens.
Intenté varios años. Tuve citas, pagué dinero con abogados para preguntar si podía arreglar mi situación y todos me decían que no, que tenía que esperar a que cambiaran las leyes de inmigración.
But without that, what would their life in Dalton look like? During a Tuesday press conference, Arias Cristobal spoke about her plans to go back to Dalton State.
I have to speak to the president of Dalton State, and they will allow me to take my finals that I wasn't able to take because I got arrested.
Dalton State tells us their students do not have to provide a social security number and lists one of their enrollment requirements as verification of lawful presence only if paying in-state tuition. Arias Cristobal's attorney confirmed to us her family paid out-of-state tuition. We also know Arias Cristobal graduated from Dalton High School. Dalton Public Schools and Whitfield County Schools both permit guardians to sign a waiver if they cannot provide a social security number for their student.
There was nothing that Jose and Jimena could have done before now to get any type of lawful status. They tried. They met with attorneys. They reviewed their case, their options, whether it be through Jose's business, through the fact that he has U.S. citizen children.
This LLC paperwork shows her father, Jose Francisco Arias Tovar, registered that company with the Georgia Secretary of State's office. And a spokesperson tells us there are no citizenship requirements when starting an LLC in the state. In Georgia, a law passed in 2008 requiring legal documentation to receive a valid driver's license. A spokesperson for the Georgia Department of Revenue tells us there's no state law requiring a license for car insurance, and that is decided by company policy. But he did say that residents must have a license to title and register their vehicles in the state. In a phone call, Arias Cristobal's attorney tells us both she and her father would have been ticketed if they did not have insurance during their separate traffic stops.